We got the power. We got the pull. Daytime. We got the power. We got the pull.
7-Eleven in 25 years. It's a number celebration. Happy birthday to Garco. We're hearing the cheers sounding out across the nation.
Spokane Furniture Company, a trusted name in history. Value, service, and quality. Spokane Furniture Company.
My man gets what he wants without asking. Got him wrapped around my little finger, ooh, like a diamond ring.
Bigger variety, better quality. Rose House, you love the changes we've made. Better for you, better for life. Huckleberries,
They're cut in half.
cut in half.
They're cut in half.
Rose House, prices are cut in half. Do 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 do. H2O to go, H2O to go. Call Stanley Steamer. H2O to go, H2O to go. Call Stanley Steamer. Apollo Spas, your factory direct hot tub superstore. Friend you can trust, someone will say, we're proud to be a part of your everyday. Together, forever, together with TV Fine. Together, forever, together with TV Fine.
McCool's Red Rooster, the pinnacle of fine dining. Make it a special occasion.